Hello students, in this session we are going to learn computer basics. So let's start first with definition of computer. Basically, computer is an electronic device that takes data as input, process it and gives output as result. Computer is an electronic device. It is just like another device. You at your home you have a lot of electronic device like fridge, TV, cooler, washing machine. These all are electronic device. In the same way, computer is also a electronic device. The working of computer, basically computer works in three steps. First, it takes the input, process it and gives the output. It takes the data for input and apply some operations on that, like the addition, multiplication, and after applying these operations it gives the output or result. Let's try to understand this concept with a real world example. Let's suppose you have fridge in your home. You put the water inside the fridge and after processing the fridge gives you cold water. The same way computer is also works. Take the input inside itself and apply the process and gives that data after processing you as a result. So hope you clear about what is computer is. Now come to the next point. What is data? Basically, data is raw fact and figures. Raw fact and figures are known data, like your name, like letters, numbers. These all are data. So data is given to the computer and computer take the data with the help of input devices. Input devices like the keyboard, mouse, joystick. These are the input devices. And the second step, this data goes to CPU. Basically, CPU is the part where all data is processed, and after processed it will send to the output device like the monitor, printer, etc. Right? So you came to know what is computer and how it's work. Now basically, why we call this machine computer? Because it's do the calculation. So this computer words comes from word compute, which means to calculate. This computer is also called data processor. As you know, it takes the data, processes it and gives the result. So it is also known as data processor. And Charles Babbage is the father of modern digital computer. He discovered, basically he created the base for discovering computers. So hope you will understand what is computer, working of computer and what is data. Thank you.